Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Telegram messages, chat and videos. So first of all, what you have to do is just open your Telegram app, and if I swipe to the left, you can see these options. Simply just go to the saved messages. So you have to go to your cloud storage, go to settings and tap on internal storage. Search here Telegram. When you see it, click on it. You can find your deleted messages, pictures, videos and voices here. If you can't see save messages, videos, voice in file manager, then go to any browser like Google Chrome. Search here Telegram support. Then simply open up the first one. Type your problem here. Hello Telegram support. Unfortunately, I have deleted lots of chats and I don't see in my save option. Please help me recover my data as soon as possible. And then enter your activated email, phone number and click on submit. Hopefully Team Telegram solve your problem as soon as possible within 24 hours. So that's how you can recover delete Telegram messages, chats, pictures and videos. If this video was helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.